Hi guys, Reza Chua speaking. Today I'm going to make a funny video and I hope you like it. Yay! Yeah, I know, that's so weird. I know, sister. My twin sister. I don't like him at all time. Whatever. Dun, 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 Oh my gosh, that helicopter looks so beautiful. I know, right, twin sister? Oh, hey guys. Hey. Hey guys. Let me just open the door. Let me open. Oh, open. Oh, there you go. Hi guys. Hi Fluttershy. Hi Butterfly. Ah! Oh, hi Pinkie Pie. Yeah, whatever. She's ugly. Hi Fluttershy. Here's my helicopter. You said you wanna share it. Borrow it. So here. I would never forget that. Oh, thanks. No problem. I have a store to catch. So what are we going to do now? Let's play with the helicopter. Wow! Look at this helicopter, guys. I bought this present because in first quarter I was top 17 and now I got top 13. And now I bought this from Christmas and for my top. My mom was so happy that I was top 13 and we were starting third quarter or fourth quarter. I have no idea. Anyways, here it is. My helicopter. Look at this beauty one. So let's play with it since I'm happy that I have a rainbowy hearty helicopter since Pinkie Pie isn't around. So let's see if Fluttershy can fit there. Ah! Okay, she can't fit, of course. There's some point can fit. I have an idea. How about my cute dog? Can she fit in? Can he fit in? He is a boy. I don't think he can fit. Oh, my cute little puppy can fit. Oh, good job, little boy. I call him Whiskers. He's born in March 13. It's a turn to tag. Whiskers. I don't think you can see it, though. No, you can't see it. Who else can fit in this stupid helicopter? How about this refrigerator? Let's see. Oh, wait. No, just move this aside. And move this aside, or else it'll fall. So let's see if this refrigerator can fit. Yeah. Fit. Well, I guess it can't fit. Well, good for the food. They can fit in this ginormous refrigerator. This cake can fit. This Play-Doh can fit. These Shopkins can fit. And this other cake can fit. And these food with a juice, with a toothbrush, Shopkin can fit. Oh no, the cake broke it. No, I broke it. Okay, I need some time here. Okay, finally it's fixed. So let's put the lipstick in there. The other lipstick in there. What else can be in there? Oh, also a glass. Yeah, the glass is perfect. Let's put the McDonald's in there. What else? Oh, also the cake, of course, and also the Play-Doh, and also that popsicle shopkin, and that. Oh my gosh, this necklace. Okay, so also the plates. Put that. Ah! No, you stay here. Close it in so they would not fall. And this necklace, I can give it to the new Fluttershy that I have. So I'm gonna need 2 hands here. So wait for a second. Yay, she is so beautiful! Oh my gosh, where did you get that necklace? I wanna buy it. You can buy it at the church. Okay, this helicopter can't fit with anything at all except for these stupid 2 little ponies. I know how, but this will fit. Of course, this will fit. Promise me this will fit, because I found the solution to this. Okay, so let's just move the refrigerator here so it can fit. My doggy will also be there, and that one will be there. Stop sitting on it. This will fit. I promise. This is small. Hey, what are you doing there? Ah! Plate. Oh! Okay, I made this in Play-Doh. I don't get it why it's so hard when it falls. Anyways, this will really fit. Promise me. Promise me. Please. Promise me. Okay, I'll just get it. Alright, this would probably fit. So let's get started. Just shut up. Yeah, shut up, your niggers. But this is so small. I hate this. It's so annoying. This is so small and it cannot freaking fit. Hey, I'm back. I already buy something in the store. Oh my gosh, what is these things doing here? Oops, sorry. Well, let's just clean it up. These stupid things just can't fit in the helicopter. Okay, I'm going to do a magic spell here. My magic hand with this magical spell. And this is the magic word if you want this to happen. Yay, it is so clean. Wow, you have magical powers there. And wait, did I heard you that those stupid things won't fit in the helicopter of mine? No. They did. Okay, I swear to God it was her. Yeah, it is her. We really swear to God to this. Did you? Do I really need to do this? Cross my heart and stick a fly, put a cupcake in my eye. Happy. Oh, so it wasn't you. It was them. Please don't kill us. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you subscribe to this. And if you like it, and please comment if it's funny. And yeah, please like it and comment anything you want. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Hope you like the helicopter and hope you like the video. Bye. And remember, this is Razor Chua. Bye. Okay, with this magic spell it will stop.